most of our videos, this one's going to start out with an anecdotal moment. I had a good GM customer in and I was explaining to him the breadth of our product line. We have electric clamps, we have electric shot pins, we have electric cylinders, part positioners, part ejectors, all kinds of companion pins and different actuators for AGCs. And he looked at me and he said, you know, you're missing one piece of the picture. We need vacuum for so many of our fixtures, and vacuum is one of our biggest sources of air usage. So a year ago, we set out on the course to develop electric vacuum generator that would work on 24-volt DC like everything else that we have to offer in the automation component world. So this box essentially mimics what we would get with a pneumatic system. So you have your short suck down, your instant release. You also have single or multiple cup applications. And when it comes to holding, if we lose power or there's an e-stop, if we turn the power off, everything still holds for a period of time until the leak down in the system lets it free. So this is a self-adjusting system. You can see that our gauge here runs between 28 and 36 kPa. And so that keeps these cups at their maximum operating vacuum over time. So you can see it cycle on and off as it bleeds down, just like it would do if it were a pneumatic system. It holds the vacuum on power loss just like it would do if it were a pneumatic system. This is controlled by a small internal PLC. It can also be set up to run with your system PLC to monitor this pressure switch. So essentially, this box gives us everything that we get in pneumatic, but with the addition of the fact that we don't need a separate vacuum generator for each cup. We can bring the line out, because less is more in vacuum, split it into as many as 6 pieces, or 8 if the cups are small, and each one of these can have their own shutoff in the case where one of them would become damaged and you weren't going to use all of the cups. So it's extremely more efficient than an individual cup vacuum system with the same amount of flexibility. These can also run on rechargeable batteries along with any of these other components. So if you want to build a tool either on a trunnion or a turntable, or just a simple hanging load assist that has no festooning, no additional dress, and the battery is located on the tool and charges wirelessly like this one does. So every time you put that tool back in the rest or the turntable stops at the load and unload position, that battery recharges and it runs your entire system without any additional outside electrical or air services. I hope this video sparks your interest. Give me a call at E&E and we'll come out and we'll show it to you in person.